Kumbasan sepangut ki samla pule jongka Aplha English HSS nongpo kilala ban pendep yalade ban syaikai haka program ka basposngi na kabanta ban petibet halor kasap ka bakidon kamtam bakin longru ki khna ki baslur ban mi syakmat klem kano ka jingting jingsmit ka baderu sibanta na ka program ka bakarpang balatip kum ka Inspire Meghalaya lane ka program karpang ka sarkar jala Meghalaya ka baderu ka flagship program na kabanta ban saindur ya kalawe ki khun samla ki school baper jongka jala ya ka bala pelong da ka avenue Shillong ha district library hanongpo kani ka program bala pelong ne penyaj da ka avenue Shillong na ka banta ki khun samla ki badangki dangsan bad donru kalawe ka pernai ka deru ka sin ka banikong ha ka jala bad ka program ka bala penmang kerpang lembag ka Ministry of Tribal Affairs harangkat ka jinge trelang na ka department joka art and culture jongka sarkar jala ha kani ka sngi uba elhek menteri ka tenat ka koj khya ka jala ulawan benishimta kum kongsan haka jinge don laru ka kong RM Korba Deputy Commissioner ka Riboy District uba Mark Stone Light Flang Managing Director ka Avenues ka kong WK Bla Principal ka Aplha English HSS lembat ki spangut ki kena school bat kino hikai haka ni sngi la samru ya ki sernot syabaro ki san spangut ki khun samla naka school jongka Aplha English HSS ki balala pendep ya kani ka training.
So what I have experienced in this program is first of all to have my confidence. Second, to believe in myself and how to achieve our success. So confidence means to stop focusing on the weaknesses we have, but instead we should focus in our achievements, which we can encourage ourselves and excel in our life. And we know that no human being is perfect. We all have our own weaknesses. So let us not look into each other's weaknesses, but let us support each other so that we can come over in life and be a successful person.
I'm closely associated with Aplha School all the time. For every program, government program, we are always calling Miss Aplha, please help us out with welcome songs, with dances. I mean, I really hats off to you, ma'am, and your students. Now you have been exposed to this program and you've seen that there's better things in this world than just study. I mean, don't say that you don't study, mind you. But life is educating the body, mind and soul. So you've entered into that line. You've been exposed to the other side of learning in the last 2 weeks. And I believe that this will definitely take places. You know, not every child in this district are getting this opportunity. You know that? Yes? 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 As you know, there are countries which have an aging population. You know when I say aging, it means lots of old people. Okay? Our nation, in fact, has the highest percentage of young people. So, and you're part of that young group of vibrant youth, full of hope, full of energy. And when we say that you have so much energy, there's a plus point and a minus point. Why a minus point? I'll go with the minus point first. If you do not challenge your energy into the right direction, you know, if you do not learn, if you do not know how to time yourself, manage your time, your life, your lifestyle, it will be very sad. One day you'll realize that time has flown away and you have not done anything for yourself. Mind you, yesterday was last night. I had the opportunity, in the last 2 weeks I was not able to really disturb Avenue teams with me because I saw that they were very busy. So yesterday I asked them whether you have prepared any lessons. They said no, ma'am. So we had a nice chat last night and we discussed a lot of things, and it came to mind that learning is a full circle. You learn right from your mother's womb. When your mother talked to you in her womb, you already know your mother's voice.
In the last 2 weeks, I've seen you have learned many things, particularly the values of life. What is the values of life? In these 2 weeks, we have learned about the life skills and the soft skills. What is the life skills? Tell me. In Khasi, we call it jingmyntoi, the life skills. This is we have learned from the olden age and the golden age, when our parents, great-grandparents and parents, they have taught us how to live a life. That we call the golden age, Saudong Kalingwarpai. Today it has come in the new versions, in a modern way, counseling and also give to the skill development. So the avenues have created a platform for all of you. I've seen so many talented boys and girls which has exposed their own talents in the different talents that you have. Of course, the Riboy as the aspirational district, but I've seen there's many of them, several of them, they have done very well. I must congratulate to each one of you. Today I'm talking about the life skills. What is the life skills? Life skills is a self-discipline. How you discipline yourself. How you discipline yourself. You have two things in your life when you are disciplining yourself. One is you rules yourself. Another one is you ruin yourself. Which one you like to have? You want to ruin or you want to rule? Yes, I say yes. I want to rule my life, not to ruin my life. What we have to do to rule our life? A will. Only your will can rule you. Say yes, I can do it. You want to rule yourself? Yes. Not to ruin yourself. So the will part, everybody has got the will. Somebody has the soft will, somebody have the hard will, somebody have the strong will, somebody have the weak will. What you will use your will. Suppose tomorrow morning, your parents tell you, your teachers tell you, you have to get up tomorrow 5 o'clock in the morning. Can you? Yes. Only few of you say yes. Not all of you say yes. Only few of you. Yes. Really? You can do it? Yes. When you tomorrow, if yourself want to get up, walk up tomorrow morning at 5 o'clock in the morning, the will you should rule the wills. Here where you rule yourself. If you cannot rule yourself, you cannot achieve in your life. So my dear young students, the future lies with you. We have seen in the trailer of this movie which is shot in your school, so many students want the different position. Somebody want to be politician like me. Somebody want to be bureaucrats like Kongkurba. Somebody want to be teachers like Kongbala and many others. Of course we are many things we want in our life, but one thing we should understand, the value of life. What is the value of life? The importance of your life is the value of life. So my young children, I've seen many of you have really shown your talents. And I'm really expecting many more to come from all of you. And the avenues really have created a platform to all of you, and also like to thank the teams of avenues for imparting so much talents in all of you, inculcate the real true values in your life. Young students, today we come back to your life. Your parents. Your parents, all of them. Many of you are not coming from all the well-off family. Many of them have come from the middle class family. Some of them are coming from the poor family. But your parents never give up in their life. You want the children, when they grow up, they grew in their life. You want to see that they are placed in the high position in society.